Today, we're looking at how to set up port forwarding so your friends can connect to your self-hosted game servers. If this video helps you, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the server hosting tutorials. A quick port forwarding explanation. Your router blocks incoming connections by default for security. Port forwarding tells your router, when someone connects on port 25565, send them to my server computer. Without it, friends outside your network can't join your server. Before we start, I need to share a few warnings. Only share your IP address with people you trust. Never post it publicly, as this can leave you vulnerable to DDoS attacks. Also keep in mind that port forwarding opens your home network to the internet, which can come with some security risks, so make sure you're comfortable with that before proceeding. Because of the dangers and some technical aspects of port forwarding, there are some internet service providers, or ISPs, who just outright don't allow their customers to do port forwarding, so just be sure to check that as well. Step 1. Find your server's local IP address. Open command prompt and type ipconfig, then hit enter. Look for IPv4 address under your connections. It'll look something like this. Be sure to save that somewhere. Step 2. Access your router settings. Open a web browser and type in your router's IP address. This is usually 192.168.1.1, 192.168.0.1, or 10.0.0.1. If those don't work, check the sticker on your router or look at the default gateway from the ipconfig command in your CMD. Log in using the credentials on your router sticker. Common defaults are admin for both the username and password. Once you're in, find the port forwarding section. Look for tabs labeled Advanced, Port Forwarding, Virtual Servers, or NAT. Every router is different. On Netgear, it's under Advanced Port Forwarding. On TP-Link, it's Advanced NAT Forwarding Virtual Servers. And on ASUS, it's WAN Virtual Server. You can also search for your router model and then find out where the port forwarding is located. If you poke around long enough, you'll find it. Step 3. Create your port forwarding rule. Click Add or New Rule and fill in these fields. Service name. Name it something like Minecraft server. This is just a label for you to know what it is for. Protocol. Select both TCP and UDP. Most games use both. External port. This is the port number for your game. Minecraft is 25565. Check your game's server config file for the exact number. Internal port. This is the same as the external port. So if external is 25565, internal is also 25565. Internal IP address. Enter that local IP we found in step 1. Click Save or Apply. Some routers need a reboot to apply changes. Important side note, set a static IP or DHCP reservation for your server computer. Otherwise, if your router assigns a new IP address, port forwarding will break. Some ISPs charge you extra for static IPs. Now, let's test it. Find your public IP by typing curl ifconfig.me in your CMD or visit whatismyipaddress.com. Give this IP to your friends. They'll connect using your IP followed by the port you just set up. To test if the port is open, search for the Open Port Checker online. Enter your public IP and port number and click check. If it says open, you're all good. If it's closed, make sure your server is running and also check Windows Firewall. For Windows Firewall, search Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Go to Inbound Rules, then New Rule, select Port and click Next. We're going to have to create 2 rules, since we cannot select both the TCP and UDP in the same rule. So in this rule, choose TCP, enter your port number and click Next. Select Allow the connection, click Next. Leave all the boxes checked and click Next. And name it something like Minecraft Server TCP and click Finish. Now we will repeat this process, but choose UDP this time. Enter the same port, select Allow the connection, leave all the boxes checked, and name it something like Minecraft Server UDP and click Finish. Now your firewall will allow connections to this port. Port forwarding is done. Your friends can now connect from anywhere. If this sounds like too much work, or if your ISP doesn't allow port forwarding, there's an easier way. Like I mentioned before, self-hosting exposes your home network to potential security risks, and troubleshooting can be a pain. With Pine Hosting, they take care of all of this for you automatically. No port forwarding, no router setup, no security concerns, just a server that's ready to go with DDoS protection and 99.99% uptime. They also have a 24/7 support team of developers and server pros that are always available and ready to get you back to gaming as quick as possible. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you and what game server you are setting up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.